So nagbabasa ako ng Created to Dream by Rick Warren. And there's this part na talagang nagsalita lang talaga sa akin. It spoke to me. Nakasabi dito, but just because you have a reason to say no doesn't mean it's not the season to say yes. Sobrang totoo nun. Kasi ang dami sa atin na nag-wonder kung time na ba. Ito na ba talaga yung right moment? Ito na ba yung yung time na magsalita? Kasi it also says here, if there were no reason to say no, then you wouldn't need any faith. And without faith, it is impossible to please God. Kasi kailangan natin maniwala na kung kailan na talaga natin kailangan, kung nandun si God para i-save tayo, na kailangan natin alalahanin that fear is the root of all indecisions. Sana dun sa mga taong ayaw magdesisyon o natatakot magdesisyon dahil kung ano sasabihin ng iba, kung babagsak sila o ano man. And that the basic commitments of life must be made in the middle of the stuff of life. Kasi life goes on. It will not wait for you. So just do it. Just go for it.